What Palmer means to Timberline, it does two things. It jumpstarts our early season skiing, but more importantly, what it's known for, it allows Timberline to ski 12 months a year. Timberline has the longest ski season in North America. Palmer sits further up the mountain. The bottom terminal begins at about 7,000 feet and takes people about up to 8,300 feet, well above the tree line. While Palmer can offer year-round skiing here at Timberline, it also is situated way up on the mountain, and it can be an extremely harsh environment in the wintertime. Storms are very common. Early February, the first week, there was 2 giant ice storms that came in, encased the entire chairlift, towers, cables, chairs, and everything in feet of ice. And as a result, Palmer sustained significant major damage, which rendered it inoperable for the rest of the season. There was so much ice encased on some of the towers that the top tower arms, those are kind of the scarecrow looking arms at the top of the towers that people see, were actually physically bent. In addition to that, it pretty much ruined the rope. And the rope is what everyone knows is the cable. In order to fix Palmer, it was it's a titanic effort to begin with, and then you throw in COVID on top of everything, and we were worried about getting Palmer ready for our legendary summer season. So basically what had to happen is we had to order a new rope or a new cable. That cable came from Switzerland during COVID. It's 2 miles long, weighed approximately 50,000 pounds, and had to be manufactured, shipped across the Atlantic Ocean, trucked across the US, and then eventually drug up to Palmer and restrung. So it was a titanic effort. Giant team had to come together of highly skilled people. So we needed helicopter time, an incredible pilot, electricians, engineers from Doppelmayr, the chairlift manufacturer, and mostly the Timberline lift maintenance crew. And we can't say enough about how hard those guys have been working to orchestrate this whole giant dance of putting Palmer back together in an extreme mountain environment with weird weather windows, with summer ski season bearing down on us. So we got Palmer all strung up, and it officially reopened on June 17th, last Wednesday. So we're in full summer operations right now. A lot of elite level training going on up there. The US ski and snowboard team is up there as we speak right now, and it'll continue to ramp up during the summer. And Palmer will also kick off the 2020-2021 ski season this fall. So we're really happy to have her back.